White vinegar costs less than $2 a bottle at almost any grocery store. Auto shops and detailing chains charge real money for products that do the exact same job, sometimes with nothing more than a fancier label and a stronger smell. Today, we are counting down 15 vinegar tricks that can genuinely save you thousands of dollars over the life of your car. And the very first one tackles a problem sitting on almost every dashboard in America right now, one that convinces people to buy a part they do not actually need. Let's get into it. Number 15, the dashboard haze. Nobody explains. That dull greasy film sitting across your dashboard is not just dust. It is a mix of UV-baked oils and cleaning residue that builds up layer after layer over months of driving. Left alone long enough, that haze can actually accelerate cracking in cheaper plastic dashboards, especially in vehicles that spend a lot of time parked in direct sunlight. A full dashboard replacement or reupholstering job on a cracked dash can run several $100s depending on your vehicle. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Mist a cloth lightly, and wipe the dashboard down using long, even strokes rather than spraying directly onto the surface. Plenty of drivers spend money on premium dashboard sprays every single month when a 5-cent solution handles the exact same buildup just as effectively. But that fix barely scratches the surface of what is coming next, because the following trick deals with a smell that convinces people their car has a much bigger problem than it actually does. Number 14, the AC smell that isn't what you think. That musty blast of air hitting you the moment you turn on your air conditioning is not simply unpleasant. It is a sign of mold and bacteria colonizing your evaporator coil. Left untreated for long enough, that buildup can clog condensate drain lines and lead to evaporator damage that easily runs into several $100s in repair costs. Most drivers respond by cracking a window and blasting air freshener, treating the symptom while the actual source keeps quietly growing deeper inside the system. Spray a diluted vinegar solution into the air intake vents near the base of your windshield, then run the AC on high for about 10 minutes to flush the mixture through the entire system. A few cents worth of vinegar handles a smell that convinces plenty of people they need an expensive AC system flush from a dealership. If you are learning something useful so far, go ahead and subscribe now because we still have 13 more entries to go, and they only get more surprising from here. Number 13, the windshield streak commercial cleaners. Streaky windshields are not always a wiper problem. Often, it is a thin layer of road film and silicone residue left behind by commercial glass cleaners that never fully lifts away. That residue scatters headlight glare at night, quietly reducing visibility in exactly the conditions where visibility matters most. Most drivers respond by buying yet another glass cleaner, layering more residue on top of the problem instead of actually solving it. Wipe the glass down first with a vinegar and water solution to strip the old residue completely, then follow with a clean microfiber cloth for a truly streak-free finish. Detailers charge extra for what they call a deep glass treatment, when the entire process is built around the same acid that is already sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Number 12, the spot on your glass. Doing permanent damage. Hard water spots do more than look bad. Untreated for long enough, they slowly etch microscopic grooves into your glass that eventually become permanent. Once that etching sets in, you're no longer talking about a cleaning problem. You're talking about a full windshield replacement that can run into the hundreds of dollars. Sprinklers, car washes, and quick-drying rain all leave behind the same mineral residue responsible for that damage, building up invisibly day after day. Spray full-strength vinegar directly onto the spots. Let it sit undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes, then buff it away using small circular motions with a microfiber cloth. Catch it early enough with this method, and a problem that could have cost you a windshield, replacement disappears in under 5 minutes. Number 11, the corrosion-killing batteries that aren't even dead. That white crusty buildup on your battery terminals is corrosion slowly strangling the electrical connection, and it is responsible for more dead battery tow calls than almost anything else under the hood. Left unchecked, that corrosion can convince you the battery itself has failed, when in plenty of cases the battery is perfectly healthy underneath. A new battery replacement can run well over $100, money spent on a part that never actually needed replacing in the first place. Disconnect both terminals, dip an old toothbrush in vinegar, and scrub the corrosion away until the metal underneath shines like new again, then rinse and dry thoroughly before reconnecting. Plenty of drivers pay for a brand new battery every year without ever realizing 5 minutes with a toothbrush would have solved the entire problem. Number 10, the cup holder mess nobody admits. The cup holders quietly turn into their own science experiment over time, coated in hardened coffee and soda residue tougher than it has any right to be. In newer vehicles with automatic cup holder mechanisms, that stickiness can actually gum up the moving parts, leading to repair quotes that genuinely surprise most people. Press a vinegar-soaked cloth firmly into the cup holder for about 5 minutes to loosen the hardened residue, then scrub thoroughly with an old toothbrush until it lifts away completely. The acid in vinegar cuts through sugar and caffeine buildup that plain soap and water simply cannot touch, no matter how hard you scrub. It sounds like a minor annoyance until you hear how many people have paid a mechanic real money to fix a mechanism that just needed a proper clean. Number 9. The headlight myth. We're finally retiring. Foggy, yellowed headlights are not just cosmetic. They can meaningfully cut your nighttime visibility. And most drivers respond by paying anywhere from $100 to several $100s for restoration kits or new assemblies. Here's the myth we need to retire. Toothpaste does not actually restore headlights the way social media claims. It is too abrasive for the plastic coating and leaves behind microscopic scratches that fog right back up within weeks. A thick paste, made from vinegar and baking soda, however, gently lifts the oxidation layer without damaging the protective coating underneath. Apply the paste with a soft cloth using small circular motions, then rinse thoroughly and buff completely dry. Thousands of people have tried the toothpaste trick after seeing it go viral, only to end up disappointed within a single month once the fogging quietly crept back in. Number 8. The tiny orange speck with a big bill attached. A small rust spot on a body panel looks harmless, almost easy to ignore until next weekend, but rust is really a slow-motion countdown toward a much bigger repair. Once rust eats all the way through metal, you are no longer looking at touch-up paint. You are looking at full panel replacement that can easily exceed $1,000 depending on severity and location. Rest a vinegar-soaked cloth on the affected spot for about an hour, then scrub gently with steel wool to stop that countdown before it really starts. The acid in vinegar breaks down rust effectively without harming the surrounding paint, the way some harsher commercial rust removers can over repeated use. Catch that tiny orange speck early enough, and you avoid a bill that grows larger every single month you let it sit. Number 7. The stain. Secretly draining your resale value. That stubborn carpet stain in your back seat might be easier to fix than you think, and ignoring it is not exactly free either. Deeply set stains and lingering odors can quietly reduce your car's resale value, since buyers notice a smell before they even sit down in the driver's seat. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water in a spray bottle, saturate the stain completely, let it sit for 10 minutes, then blot with a clean cloth and scrub gently. For tougher stains, sprinkle baking soda directly over the vinegar for a fizzing reaction that lifts grime out of the carpet fibers from deep within. 2 nearly identical cars can sell for noticeably different prices purely based on how the interior smells, proving odor alone can quietly cost you real money at trade-in time. If this is saving you money already, stick around, because at number 6, the stakes start climbing into genuinely expensive territory. Number 6, the overheating habit. Costing drivers. 4 times more coolant systems clogged with mineral buildup and rust are one of the leading causes of engine overheating on the road today. An overheating engine ignored for too long can warp a cylinder head, turning a simple fix into a repair bill stretching into the thousands of dollars. Flush your radiator with a 50-50 mix of vinegar and water before refilling with proper coolant, running the mixture through the system for about 15 minutes before draining completely. That process dissolves mineral deposits that build up slowly over years of regular driving, deposits most drivers never think to address until the temperature gauge starts climbing. Ignore a rising gauge long enough, and a blown head gasket can cost more than 4 times what a simple vinegar flush would have cost in the first place. Number 5, the trunk smell. That isn't your old gym shoes. That faint sour smell drifting from your trunk might not be forgotten laundry. It is often trapped moisture and mold quietly working on your trunk hinges and floor. Left unchecked long enough, that moisture can lead to rusted hinges and a weakened trunk floor, a repair that can run into the hundreds of dollars. Wipe down the trunk liner and rubber seals with a vinegar and water solution. Then leave the trunk open for a few hours afterward to let everything dry out fully. Vinegar kills mold spores on contact and neutralizes odor at its source, instead of simply masking it temporarily the way an air freshener does. Quick question for you. When was the last time you actually checked your own trunk seals for moisture? Drop your answer in the comments, especially if you find something you were not expecting. Number 4, the gas mileage culprit, hiding in plain sight. Clogged fuel injectors are behind a huge share of poor gas mileage complaints, and once they get bad enough, you're looking at replacement costs, running into the high hundreds of dollars per injector. Most drivers blame the gas station or the weather long before they think to check the actual, much cheaper culprit sitting right under the hood. While vinegar should never go directly into your fuel system, cleaning the exterior injector housing and surrounding engine bay grime with a diluted vinegar solution keeps dirt from working its way into nearby seals over time. Wipe everything down carefully with a vinegar-dampened cloth, being careful to avoid any electrical connectors along the way. Engine bays caked in years of grime tend to develop injector and sensor failures far more often than engine bays kept reasonably clean, simply because dirt finds its way into places it was never meant to reach. Number 3, the engine hiccup. The mechanic might get wrong, A carbon-coated throttle body can cause rough idling, random stalling, and hesitation when you try to accelerate. Problems that often send people straight to a mechanic, expecting a costly sensor replacement. In plenty of cases, the part in question just needed a proper clean the entire time, quietly collecting grime for years without ever announcing itself. After letting the engine cool completely and disconnecting the air intake hose, a vinegar-dampened cloth can gently wipe away carbon buildup coating the throttle plate, restoring smooth airflow almost immediately. Avoid spraying vinegar directly into the opening itself, and always let the engine cool fully first before starting. Plain vinegar handles that same light carbon buildup that expensive commercial throttle cleaning sprays are built to target, for a tiny fraction of the price tag. Number 2, the steering wheel, grime. Nobody checks. A sticky, grimy steering wheel is not just unpleasant to touch every morning. It is often coated in a thin film of hand oils that can slowly degrade the material underneath, leading to cracking over time. A steering wheel replacement can run into a few $100s depending on your specific vehicle, all from a surface most drivers never think to clean properly. A light vinegar and water mixture applied to a cloth, never sprayed directly onto leather or vinyl, lifts grime away without stripping the protective coatings the way harsher commercial cleaners can over repeated use. Wipe gently across the entire surface. Then follow up immediately with a proper leather or vinyl conditioner to keep the material soft for years to come. A huge share of interior wear complaints mechanics hear about trace directly back to years of cleaning with the wrong products, long before any visible damage ever appeared. Number 1, the habit that ties every trick. Together. Your entire car is constantly exposed to road salt, exhaust residue, and everyday environmental grime that slowly degrades rubber seals, plastic trim, and even your paint's clear coat over years of exposure. That gradual buildup is exactly what eventually leads to every single expensive repair we just walked through together today. A regular full-body wipe down using a properly diluted vinegar solution, focused on seals, trim pieces, wheel wells, and any undercarriage areas you can safely reach, prevents the slow accumulation that causes nearly all of it. Most preventable car repairs trace back to neglected routine maintenance rather than any sudden mechanical failure, and vinegar remains one of the cheapest, simplest tools available for staying ahead of that neglect. Combine this final habit with everything else on this list, and you're looking at a car that runs better, smells fresher, and quietly saves you thousands of dollars over its entire remaining lifetime on the road. Thanks for sticking with this one all the way through. Let us know in the comments which of these 15 tricks surprised you the most, and share any vinegar trick of your own that we did not cover today. If you want your car running like it just rolled off the lot, check out the video on your screen right now for even more tips that could save you real money down the road. And if you do not want to miss the next batch of tricks like these, go ahead and subscribe before you head out.